Hi, Stamp Chasers. I'm so excited to be back at Bougainvillea Barbados. Just last year, I was here touring this flowery oasis resort on a site inspection. Since my last visit, the renovation in the spa, restaurants, and grounds are complete, but more visibly noticeable are the room upgrades. Maintaining with all the amenities of home, there are now a unique assortment of hotel suites, including a honeymoon suite, deluxe 1 and 2 bedroom suites, 1-bedroom penthouse, and a 2-bedroom beachfront. For my 3-night stay, I'm in room number 326, one of the newest Ocean View Junior Suites, affectionately known as the Brown Tortoise Shell Room. For guest comforts and convenience, this suite features a mini kitchen with a microwave, mini refrigerator, and 2-burner stovetop, found only in the deluxe studios and junior suites, because the other mentioned categories come with a full kitchen, microwave, refrigerator, and stove. There's cutlery, crockery, glassware, and cookware. My favorite upgrade in the kitchenettes has to be the refaced cabinets with updated hardware. In the mini fridge, there is enough space for 2 people or a family of 3 to keep a few grocery items to prepare meals or store leftovers. The bathrooms have been completely modernized with new vanities, tiling, makeup mirror, fixtures. Bougainvillea highlights bath products from the White Company. This is their hand-washed and hand and body lotion. The placement of fresh flower blooms in the suite and bathroom are special touches at Bougainvillea. Here's the new push-button commode and shower bench. The walk-in dual-control rainfall shower head and wand. Again, the White Company bath and hair products with more tile throughout and a glass shower door. This is a very comfortable and attractive bathroom. A swan towel animal left on top of the mattress. A great size room closet with plenty of space and hangers. On top, there's extra pillows and a comforter. On the opposite side of this closet, there's an in-room safe, shelving, and a complimentary Bougainvillea beach bag to be used while on the resort. Bathrobes, the foldable luggage rack, iron and ironing board. A table with 2 chairs, 2 nightstands, one with the direct dial telephone, and this one has the iPod docking station. Guests can enjoy the complimentary wireless internet access while in the room and on the resort. Separate seating area with a sofa, coffee table, and the remotes to control air conditioning, both ceiling fans, a flat screen television with cable channels. The decor highlights the refreshing blend of cool Caribbean colors, soothing fabrics and textures, all of the touches of home. I like this room a lot because it's more of my preferred travel style, a contemporary modern design with clean lines. Bougainvillea Barbados is a beachfront 4-story low-rise property on approximately 2.5 acres. Ideal for couples, families, or small groups looking for an intimate boutique resort hotel that is just minutes from the airport, accessible to local culture, history, and prime attractions. This attractive and airy junior suite is located on the west side of the resort. From the furnished balcony, I have sights of the gardens, pool, and best of all, views of the Emerald Caribbean Sea on one of the loveliest South Coast beaches in Barbados. Being very familiar with Barbados, this trip was curated for 3 types of immersions, and they were culinary, exploration, and spa experiences. I designed the perfect balance of exotic pleasures and familiar comforts within my week-long holiday. Each night, a highlight for me was relaxing in the outdoor chaise lounge chair on my balcony with pillows and a comforter, falling asleep to the eastern Caribbean breeze, sounds of nocturnal birds chirping, tree frogs whistling, and the waves crashing nearby. Quite simply, when your vacation calls for customized style, sophistication, and great recommendations, contact Book It and Go Travel. We are stamp chasers. Our team of specialized agents are travel counselors who take the time to find out your unique travel style and interests. As Barbados elite travel specialists, we have the expertise to fill those needs and make your dream vacation become reality.